Hello everyone, and welcome back to UFO Evidence, your #1 channel for exploring the mysteries of the universe. Today, we're diving into a topic that has captivated humanity for decades. Have alien sightings finally been confirmed by experts? The answer might be closer than you think. For years, stories of strange lights in the sky and unidentified flying objects were dismissed as science fiction or hoaxes. But the conversation is changing, and it's changing fast. High-ranking officials, decorated pilots, and respected scientists are now stepping forward, lending credibility to what was once considered fringe. Let's start with one of the most significant developments in recent history: the Pentagon's UAP reports. That's Unidentified Aerial Phenomena, the official government term for UFOs. In 2021, the Office of the Director of National Intelligence released a preliminary assessment on UAPs. This wasn't some blurry photo from a backyard. This was a serious report for the US Congress. It analyzed 144 incidents reported by military personnel between 2004 and 2021. And the conclusion? They could only explain one of them. The other, 143, remain a mystery. The report stated that these UAPs demonstrated unusual flight characteristics, including moving at incredible speeds without visible means of propulsion. Think about that for a second. The United States government, with all its advanced radar and tracking technology, officially admitted that there are objects in our airspace that they cannot identify and that behave in ways that defy our current understanding of physics and aerodynamics. This is a monumental shift. The stigma that once surrounded this topic is beginning to crumble, replaced by genuine scientific and military curiosity. These aren't just grainy, black and white photos anymore. We're talking about high-resolution infrared video, multiple sensor readings, and eyewitness accounts from some of the most highly trained observers on the planet, Navy pilots. One of the most famous cases is the Tic Tac incident from 2004. Involving the USS Nimitz Carrier Strike Group. Commander David Fravor, a Top Gun Navy pilot with years of experience, was on a routine training mission when he was diverted to investigate a strange object. What he saw was a smooth, white, oblong shape, about 40 feet long, with no wings or visible propulsion. It moved erratically, hovering over the water before accelerating at a speed Fravor described as like a bullet. It disappeared and then reappeared moments later at their prearranged rendezvous point some 60 miles away. Fravor's account was corroborated by other pilots and sophisticated radar data. He's on record, a credible military professional, saying, "I think it was something not from this world." And he's not alone. His wingman, Alex Dietrich, has also spoken publicly about the encounter, confirming the bizarre nature of the object and its movements. These are not people prone to fantasy. Their careers depend on clear, accurate observation. When people like them speak out, we have to listen. The evidence isn't just anecdotal, it's backed by multiple witnesses and multiple forms of advanced technology. The Pentagon's release of this footage in 2020 was a landmark moment, forcing the public and the media to take the UAP phenomenon seriously. But it's not just the military. Respected figures in the scientific community are also changing their tune. Avi Loeb, the former chair of Harvard's astronomy department, has been a vocal proponent of taking the search for extraterrestrial intelligence seriously. He founded the Galileo Project, a scientific endeavor dedicated to searching for evidence of extraterrestrial technological artifacts. His argument is simple. Why are we so quick to dismiss the possibility that some UAPs could be probes from another civilization? He points out that, statistically, it's almost impossible for Earth to be the only planet with intelligent life in the vastness of the cosmos. He believes we should apply rigorous scientific methods to study these phenomena, rather than dismissing them out of hand. Then there's the testimony of former intelligence officials like Luis Elizondo. He ran the Pentagon's secret UFO program, the Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program, or AATIP. Since leaving the Pentagon, Elizondo has been a tireless advocate for transparency. He claims that the evidence is overwhelming and that the government knows far more than it's telling the public. He speaks of 5 observables, key characteristics of UAPs that defy known technology. These include anti-gravity lift, sudden and instantaneous acceleration, hypersonic velocities without signatures like sonic booms, low observability or cloaking, and transmedium travel, meaning the ability to move seamlessly between air, water, and even space. When you combine the official government reports, the testimony of elite military pilots, and the arguments from leading scientists, a compelling picture emerges. The question is no longer, do UFOs exist, but what are they? Are we looking at advanced drone technology from a rival nation? Is it some yet to be understood natural phenomenon? Or could it be something else entirely, something not from around here? Let's consider another mind-bending case, the 2015 gimbal video, also released by the Pentagon. In it, Navy pilots track a strange object that appears to rotate against the wind. You can hear the pilots' baffled reactions. One exclaims, "Look at that thing, dude. It's rotating!" This video, along with the Go Fast video, shows objects moving at incredible speeds close to the ocean surface. These aren't just lights in the sky. These are physical objects being tracked by the most advanced sensor systems in the world, systems designed to detect enemy missiles and aircraft. And they are baffled. The implications are staggering. If these objects are indeed extraterrestrial, it would be the single most profound discovery in human history. It would change everything we know about our place in the universe. If they are secret terrestrial technology, then some nation has made a technological leap that is decades, if not centuries, ahead of everyone else. Either possibility is a world-changing revelation. The recent congressional hearings on UAPs have further pushed this conversation into the mainstream. In July 2023, David Grush, a former intelligence official, testified under oath that the US government has a long-standing program that retrieves and reverse engineers non-human craft. He claimed that this information has been illegally withheld from Congress. While his claims are yet to be fully substantiated in the public domain, the fact that such a hearing even took place, with a high-level whistleblower testifying under oath, is a seismic event. It shows that this is no longer a matter of belief, but a matter of national security and scientific inquiry. We're moving away from the era of ridicule and into an era of serious investigation. What was once confined to late-night talk shows and sci-fi conventions is now being discussed in the halls of Congress and the corridors of the Pentagon. So, have alien sightings been confirmed by experts? The official answer is still no. The government confirms the existence of UAPs, but stops short of saying they are extraterrestrial. However, the evidence, the testimony, and the sheer number of inexplicable encounters are pushing us closer to an answer than ever before. Key experts, from combat pilots to intelligence officers to Harvard astronomers, are all saying the same thing. Something is out there, and we need to find out what it is. The tide has turned. The data is real, the witnesses are credible, and the mystery is deeper than ever. We are living in an extraordinary time, where the secrets of the universe might just be within our grasp. What do you think? Are we on the verge of disclosure? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into one of the greatest mysteries of our time. If you found this information as fascinating as I do, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to UFO Evidence, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. We'll be here tracking the evidence and bringing you the latest as this incredible story unfolds. See you in the next video.